Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to open mic on Roblox. It means how can you use mic on Roblox. So first of all you have to click on three dot, go to settings. You just need to go to in privacy. So to get mic you have to go to in privacy, and here you have to scroll down and you will see here microphone, which is a mic. So to you open mic or to use mic, you just need to enable here mic with to chat with voice. Just click on this toggle button next to it. Just click on it and click on again and click on enable to enable it. So once you enable it, now you just need to go to any game to open mic on Roblox. I'll show you. Now once you are guys in the game, you just need to click on this mic icon or a class head, and you will be able to use this mic on Roblox. Fine, so that's how you can use it. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.